What are the challenges of modern application security? Application security has become an essential aspect of modern software development as the world becomes more digitized. As technology advances, so do the challenges that come with it. In this video, we will discuss the challenges that modern application security faces. Cyber attacks. The first challenge is cyber attacks. As technology advances, so do the methods of attack. Cybercriminals are always finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities in applications. They use sophisticated techniques like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and malware to gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. It's a constant battle to stay one step ahead of these malicious actors. Cloud security. Cloud computing has become an integral part of modern software development, but it comes with its own set of security challenges. Cloud providers take care of the underlying infrastructure, but it's up to the application developers to secure their applications running on the cloud. Misconfigured cloud servers, weak authentication, and authorization mechanisms are some of the common vulnerabilities in cloud applications. DevOps security. DevOps is a methodology that focuses on continuous integration and delivery of software. However, in the rush to release new features quickly, security can be overlooked. DevOps teams need to include security as an integral part of their process to ensure that the software they develop is secure. Mobile security. With the rise of mobile devices, applications have become more accessible. However, mobile devices are susceptible to attacks, such as malware, phishing, and rogue applications. Additionally, mobile applications often have access to sensitive data, such as location, contacts, and messages, making them an attractive target for attackers. Compliance and regulations. Compliance and regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS require that organizations adhere to specific security standards. Compliance can be a challenge for organizations that operate in multiple jurisdictions and have to comply with multiple regulations. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in legal and financial penalties. Modern application security faces several challenges. However, by understanding these challenges and implementing best practices, organizations can ensure that their applications are secure. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.